Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about a job regarding All India Limited vacancy. For information, All India Limited is a government-owned oil company. The job posting is mainly for Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The last date of the job to apply is 25th December. The degree required is for diploma student. So anyone having diploma in chemical, mechanical, civil, electrical, CSE and electronics, they can apply up to 25th December. Let's discuss how to apply, from where to apply, and what are the job salary and vacancy limited. To apply, anyone need to go to the All India Limited portal. So first you type All India Limited current vacancy. There they will open the current openings. From here you can go directly to the look at the openings. This is a recruitment notification. From here apply online, you can take apply now, and for more readings you can go through the PDF. The last date is 25th December 12 means 11:59 PM. Let's discuss about the vacancy, salary and number of posts. This is the PDF. You can let's know first where the posting will be. The invite application posting will be in Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Sibsagor in Assam, and Changlang district of Arunachal Pradesh. This is a grade 7 pay scale. This is the minimum. This will be the your salary for starting from the 35,000, 37,000 to 1,45,000. This is the pay scale range. The minimum requirement is for 3 years a diploma degree for all engineering courses, and the total vacancy you can see from here. For chemical it is 8, civil 12, and the maximum vacancies are in the mechanical. The maximum vacancy of mechanical and total vacancy number is 126. The total vacancy is also divided as per the quota. Here the details are given for SC, ST, OBC, and EWC and general students. The age limit required for this job is for general public is general student minimum 18 to maximum 30. For SC there is a 5 years relaxation, so up to 35 years anyone can apply. And for ABC there is a 3 years relaxation. So students, let's discuss about the selection methodology, how you will be selected. There will be first you have to apply for the job. From your application they will call for the computer based test. In the computer based test CBD here the total 40% marks is required for SC, ST and 50% for the others general and OBC students. There will be 3 subjects for the computer based test. First will be the English language, then regional arithmetic and quantitative ability, and the third is domain relative knowledge. The divisions are given as 20% for English and reasoning for 20% and 60% for your domain, and total will be 100%. The total time is 200 for the exam selections, and this will be bilingual English and Assamese is medium you can opt for, and there will be no negative marks in the computer based test, and this will be multiple choice questions only. Who will be selected for the job? There is a provisional period, and this provisional period is 12 months, that is 1 year provisional period under training for this job. Let's discuss how to apply. The apply I already mentioned. You have to go through the portal, and from there you can apply. This is also mentioned here how to apply, or you can go through this link, and the time is up to 25th December. And first you have to register. There you will be given an ID, and you have to select your password. Then you have to log in through this ID and password only. The fee is 200 rupees for general and other OBC persons, and there will not be any fee for SC, ST and benchmark disability persons. Let's discuss what are the compulsory valid documents you would require. The things are that one must have your 10th pass certificate, 12th pass certificate, and your degree pass certificate. But again, along with you required valid employment exchange registration or Jilla Sainik Welfare Office registration card for ex-servicemen, and other your caste certificate, your EWS certificate, and your benchmark disability certificate is also required for this job to apply. So hopefully student, I have given you the minimum requirement or details about the job. Anyone interested, they can also go through the PDF once before applying, and you must apply for this job. This is a good opportunity for anyone having diploma degree, and the locations are also good to apply. Thank you very much for watching this video.